He's just up for that, really. Wow, I really had to hold that in. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, whoever here. I hope that you are all doing well. Hello friends, haven't we got a ton of SB19 stuff to catch up on together? But I just have to skip right here. I want to watch Showbreak. Excuse me, SB19 are cooking. It's like, Showbreak is my favourite thing. Wait, SB19 are my favourite things. Showbreak is my favourite show, and I love to see SB19 cook, and so everything else is just gonna have to wait. I know Moonlight, R&B version, you have been performed again, but you're just gonna have to wait. If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload, but you will also see a link to the very kind SB19 sub-squads caption file that will take you through all of this magical realms and allow you to watch it with subs. And I'm really, really grateful because I can't wait. I have no, what's that word? Patience. I don't even have patience to think of the word patience. And so I'm grateful that I don't have to wait, basically. Thank you so much. I love you. Can we watch this together, please? Hi!
Naubusan tayo ng oras, kaya ating magluto.
Where's Pablo?
Wala si Pablo.
Siya nga eh.
Laging late. Ano ba yan? Hindi niyo ba alam yung importance ng time?
Wait lang,
Ay, nabali! Ito na yung tropa natin late eh.
Pablo.
Sorry guys, alam ko naman mahalaga ang time.
He's still got his nails done, so this is very close to the concert.
Ano masabi mo, Stel?
Oras kang nagsasayang ng oras. Kaka-cellphone mo yung pagkain mo, wala pang bawas. Pagkaligo mo, gumamit ka ng tawas.
Yo, perfect.
I'm lost. I'm so lost. What is going on?
Dahil usapang oras tayo, welcome sa Showbreak 6 Episode 2! And it's time for Showbreak.
Ang anim na to.
I just love them in this casual look.
What's up everyone? Andito na naman si Pablo. And welcome sa episode 2 ng Showbreak. As usual, merong secret mission na ipapagawa ang aming team. And ako'y naatasan na maging secret agent. Yun, perfect. Pablo's secret mission.
He has to sabotage everything, hopefully.
So yung mga need gawin ng members, I think mahirapan ako dito. Si Josh, ayaw niya to. He needs to act cute. Stel needs to say I love you to Pablo.
So easy.
Ito medyo kaya siguro to. Si Ken needs to sing and serenade 18. Yun, madali lang kasi ginagawa naturally.
Yeah.
Si Justin needs to thirst trap on camera.
You could get him to act
Pablo
something
become
out.
a nuisance and make the group fail a minigame. Oh,
Okay.
Hindi ko kaya yun. Hala. Sige, subukan natin. Para naman sa 18 to. Anyway, let's go. Ayan,
I'm looking forward to this.
Iwagang.
He looks like a schoolboy.
Basahin mo na, Ken. Ikaw na magbasa.
Basahin ko na?
Gawin mo siya ng pakanta. Basahin mo siya ng pakanta.
Para maiba naman.
Can we just ban hats for Showbreak?
Mayroon kayong isang
Can't
oras.
see their beautiful faces.
30 minuto sa orasan para magluto ng kare-kare. Ayun, nasa...
Isa't kalahati. Tama ba?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
Ayon sa nasa Time MV. Kapag nakatanggap kayo ng 5 thumbs up mula sa mga hurado, ay masaswerteng fans na mananalo ng gantimpala.
Yun! Din pala yan.
Bakit? Sige.
Ano?
Dapat meron din daw sa amin. Lagi daw 18 lang may gantimpala.
Lagi na lang sila yung nakatanggap ng gantimpala.
Kaya kami naman.
Pero okay lang naman yun kasi mahal naman namin sila.
Hindi okay yun.
Para makuha ang lahat ng sangkap, kailangan yung maglaro 4 na minigame.
Laro ng apat.
Ng 4 na minigame.
Apat na yung maglalaro.
Bawat laro ay may bawas na 1 minuto sa oras.
Oh.
So, 1 minute yung game, every game.
So magsi-steal tayo sa 1 hour and 30 minutes. Kukuha tayo 1 minute per minigame.
Para sa ingredient.
Tama ka dyan, Justin. Kapag nanalo, makakakuha kayo ng isang sangkap.
Sangkap!
So, kailangan natin maglaro para makuha ng sangkap. Kapag natalo, wala kayong sangkap at kailangang pumili ng parusa habang nagluluto.
Habang nagluluto.
Bakit ako yung parusa, wala daw chance eh.
Kamay na. Di ba sa gento?
Can you imagine?
Pwede pa rin makuha ang kulang na sangkap pero may karagdagang bawas.
Mahirap yan ah.
Meron mo sangkap. So yung karagdagang bawas sa oras, doon din sa major na ano talaga yung luto-luto. Oh no.
Pwede naman tayo mag-prepare ng kare-kare.
Karagdagang bawas.
Makuha lang natin yung
Karagdagang bawas sa oras.
Layunin ninyong tapusin ang mga minigame.
Tagalog.
Makuha ang limang
Pilipino
sangkap
yan ah.
at maluto ang kare-kare sa tamang oras.
Ayun, kare-kare.
What time is it? It's show break time!
Let's go!
Why are they being awkward?
Talo tayo.
Okay.
Talon?
Sila muna talo.
Talon daw?
Hindi, matutumba ka.
Hindi, isa-isa tayo.
Ito na boy, ito na oh,
Meron
kinikin
ako
ako.
nga.
He's got it. He's gonna do it all by himself.
Ganda muna sa...
Ayan.
Oh, umangat na. Oh, sige.
May Pablo.
Isa-isa, isa-isa.
Oh, sige.
We should have a rotating camera so we can see all sides of what is happening right here. Someone save him.
3, yuyo ko 3, 2, 1, go.
Ano ba yun? Napakadali.
Pakadali naman yun.
That was good.
Napakahirap na
I love Josh's outfit.
1 minute.
Start timer.
Ay, gosh.
I like this game. I like it when you have to dance on a piece of paper and it gets smaller and smaller and smaller.
Lipat ako.
This is that, but with water.
Wait, di pa ako naka...
Go, lipat isa.
Hirap yun, boy.
Isa. Dito, ano ko muna ako makawakan sa ng sobra-sobra.
Oh, sige. Sige.
Isang minuto? Ano?
Sino
Binalian yung una
Hindi
tapos...
kasi si Ken dito, boy.
Tapakan nyo na rin yung mga paa.
Al! Alam mo, meron ako.
Ay,
Oh no, the water! It's dripping.
Lipat mo!
Kunin mo, ikaw kukuha, Ken.
Sino maglilipat?
Ken, just wrap your leg. Yeah.
Sabi nila without spilling, nakaramdam na ako ng tubig eh. Ako rin eh.
Ayan. 10 seconds!
Pwede ulitin?
Naglaro pa tayo!
Oh, lipat-lipat kayo.
Wala na, talo na tayo!
Posible to pre, mahirap talaga yan.
Oh.
Hey!
Try again.
Nagawa niyo yun ng 1 minuto?
Pag gano'n lang.
Still looks so good.
Sa taas sila yung...
Mali yung strategy natin.
Pwede pa kami mag-isa, babaro kami 1 minute.
Wait!
Are they going again?
Wala ko muna, Stel. Kailangan ko umano sa'yo.
Ooh. That's dangerous.
3, 2, 1, start!
Justin!
Justin, ano ba? Ilayo mo.
Pasok!
Papasok ko doon.
Paano kung mic? Hulog na yung mic.
Ang bilis sa inyo.
Oh no!
Buisit ka talaga!
Atong balas ako.
Ay, hindi pala akin to kay Pablo.
Atong balas ako.
Nariano na, naubos na yun.
Come on.
Ay, Justin!
Hindi kaya, wag na.
Huwag na! Pakahirap yan!
It's Josh's favourite thing. Poor Ken. He got quite soaked.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Ito muna.
Oh, yeah. Isa pa. Hindi, isa pa na. Sige na.
Walang 3-11 ah.
Oh, kahit gusto niya 8?
Yeah!
Lagyan mo ba?
Please be careful. It's shaking.
Yung kami,
Ay, mag 1 minute na. Matutupa pa yan. Huwag kayong mapakampante.
Ba't kasi ganyan?
Hindi
It's funny seeing their strategy, how the three of them just went for it.
Yabang niyo pa.
The three who I assume cross over in that kind of leader area.
Kailangan, 5 na eh.
Whereas Stell and Ken were a little bit more, and now we'll attempt.
Go shoot! Oh, putol yan.
I'm sorry, but this looks really easy for them. They're not even struggling.
Ikaw hila, Josh. Basta pamaba sa'yo. Sa'yo yan.
Yan sa sunod, pangalawa.
Naputol, boy!
Oh,
Tumagos.
Nag-broken line, bro eh.
Tumagos siya.
this is actually a really good game to play, like for team building.
Taas ba? Oo.
30 seconds, boy! 30 seconds, boy!
Patapusin niyo na sana pa din. Oo.
Tapos diretso. Hindi pa ba?
Left.
Go.
They're gonna have to think up harder games because that was way too easy for SB19. I'm actually really blown away by how easy that was for them.
Game. Tatlong tabi-tabi muna.
Ganito lang, oh. Gaya lang.
Go, takbo agad.
Okay, game on.
Hilahin mo, Ken. Yan.
Hindi naman.
Go. Takbo agad. Tabi-tabi, oh.
Tabi.
Nadala naman na eh. Dahan lang, guys. Yan, oh. Oo.
Pablo!
Wala tayong oras.
Malayo!
Hilahin nyo.
Pagod na ako sa kanang legs ko.
Bakit nag-leg day ka ba?
Go, ilang seconds?
Okay, ganda.
Kalma.
2 minutes pa.
Hila, Ken. Hila.
Pablo, hila.
Come on.
10 seconds.
Off.
Usually I'd be rooting for the person to not do well because it's funnier to see them like struggle in the task. But I'm actually here like rooting for them to do really well. That is years and years and years of teamwork.
Game. Ang mga panalunan daw natin ay free merch na ibibigay.
Para sa 18.
So, are you guys willing to take the challenge?
Let's go.
Challenge. Let's go to challenge.
Accepted.
Okay, game.
Bro, papas nila. Good job. Support.
Estelle's got one shoe on. Goodness gracious, look at how delicious Stell looks. Oh!
3.
Oh! If they had got that.
One.
Ako na, mahirap tayo.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even see what that was for. What was the ingredient they lost? Oh,
Saan ba? Sige. Wait lang.
let's go. Oh, it's so frustrating.
Ang hirap.
Oh. That's what I would be like. I'd be like Pablo.
Ang hirap kontrolin eh.
I I feel like that is, I don't know, in my head I was thinking, oh, that is easy, you can strategize. Like if you tap it lightly, you're probably going to get a lot further. But I think it's just really, really difficult. And then I started to think about my flexibility between my knee and my ankle. And I was like, can I bend my leg in that angle in order to like keep this thing up in the air? Like it's actually really hard.
Kompleto namin mga ingredients, so for sure maluluto namin ang the best kare-kare in the world.
Yes.
Who are the judges?
Hindi ba namin natapos ang aming sipa? Sisipa naman ang sarap ng aming kare-kare.
Yun, ang pinaka-importante.
Pero we'll still try.
Hindi kailangan na, syempre.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Alright, ay magsisimula na.
Look at that. Oh, thank goodness Del turned his cap around.
Ng bahay Tanglad.
Yes.
Para simulan ng aming kare-kare.
Yun.
Let's go.
Basta ang naaalala ko sa mga dati nating pagluluto masaya. Masaya.
Oo, yun ang mahalaga. Kaya naman, babasahin ko na.
Anong chef name mo?
Oh! What is it?
Nahirapan. Boy Sitaw.
Boy Sitaw.
Bakit ako Sitaw eh? Boy Sitaw. Babasahin na ni Boy Sitaw. Boy Sitaw.
Hamlet is aging backwards.
Kailangan ninyong lutuin ang kare-kare gamit ang natitirang oras sa inyong pangunahing orasan.
Ilan ba yung oras namin?
120.
121. Wow, brutal pa.
Isa lang ang pwedeng magluto. Kayo ay magpapalitan kada 3 minuto.
Cool.
Ang apat ay magbibigay ng tagubilin mula sa gilid. Kung may parusa dahil sa talong nakalagay tatlong siguro. Dahil sa talong minigay. Kailangan 3 minigay.
Talo, as in talo.
Talong. Kailangan itong gawin habang nagluluto. Bawal magluto?
Pero wala pa yung side.
Okay.
Hindi pa lang magluto.
No, that could work. I love the demo right there.
Ako na lang maampag masyado eh. Ako na yung
Pwede naman.
Sana.
Itatay daw ito. Itatali yung kamay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ay, wala.
Kaya, what if konti alis tapos ano?
Kasi,
Konti alis. Yay! Hindi ka pwede mawalan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
He's just up for that, really. Wow, I really had to hold that in.
Pag nakita kayo naman yung magagalit, parang nyo akong kinusasa.
Okay.
Go. Stand na yung oil.
Dito to,
Water
ba?
in a large cooking pot.
ayun pala, tama no?
Yeah, at least you can guide people. This is the thing.
Kasi lahat to.
Wag sobrang daming dampol.
Oh my god, I've got a dead leg.
Ano punishment?
Siyempre dapat lulubog lahat.
3 quarts.
Alam ko na pwede kong gawin.
Kunti lang yan, bro.
Hindi, ilalagay ko na nga.
Wag muna.
Oh, hindi yun eh. Para hindi umapaw.
Hindi,
Measured.
chachapchapin mo pa sana, pre.
Kachap-chapin ko ba ba, no?
Ano unahin niya?
Hindi, pwede ba naman pakuluan bago chapchapin? Pero lagyan mo na kasi.
Actually, mas madali kung hatiin mo na para mas pumasok yung heat agad sa hapon.
Yung butchers, ano.
Dito.
Kaya pakuluan mo na para habang hinahati mo.
Isa lang muna yun.
Pakulo ka na ng
Josh is so itching to get in there.
Tama.
Yan. Buksan mo. Lagyan mo na asin,
It's kept singing. It's serenading us. Hello.
Tubig na lang muna.
Ano nakalagay?
Kailangan butchers. Yeah. Kalahati mo na lang. Kasi feeling ko hindi ka mag... Tama ng buwelo yan.
Please be careful.
Ayaw niya.
Eh, parang na. Mga trip.
Josh.
Ang bilis. Tagayo.
Kailangan pa natin magmadali. Oo nga, 3 minutes agad yun.
He's straight in there. He knows exactly what he wants to do.
Pwede naman ito gamitin, di ba?
Hindi, actually, pwede ibang member ng Vivo. Tapos yung marunong mag-song.
Kaya nga yung sinasabi ko ako na mag-ano eh.
Pwede mo nang iwan mo dyan, Josh.
Hindi, gano'n din naman eh. Kasi kailangan naman yung maano.
What if kami pupunta yung pagluto sa
Uy, yung kamay mo ha. Diba talaga ang Diyos? Pinapakita pa yung, pinaflex pa yung biceps so habang na.
His outfit is really perfect for cooking, and so is that angle. You know, the cinching in of the waist with the apron.
Gusto niyo ba na drill?
Oh yes.
Oo, tama yan.
Nahiwa.
Hindi rin pa nahugasan.
Pero siya, hindi na magiging ano to ha. Paano na ako?
Next.
Bawal ka kumuha dyan ng kamay.
Kuha tayo ng ganito.
Was that salt?
Ito lang? Laurel limbs wala?
Ito oh, may Tupperware. Okay, tandaan niyo yung veggies na kutsilyo.
So doon na lang kapag.
3 minutes eh. Oh.
Still na, naka-ano.
Gusto niyo mag-boil na rin tayo para sa answete?
Go!
Yo-yo lang kami dito.
Kasi pagka nag-ano tayo,
Hirap naman na ito mga Dito naman tayo magpakulo.
Yung pag-slice-slice, kaya naman
tayo.
yan guys.
Hindi kasi
Unahin ko na to
Kasi
It's not gonna stop him.
pag ginisa natin,
I hope he's able to win back, like, his hands.
Hindi ko ba takpan to yung asin? Kasi magmamoist sa loob niya.
Okay lang yan.
Hindi, baka punishment yan eh.
Hindi ata part ng pagluluto.
Yun.
Wala kang magawa rito. Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Ang hirap niyan.
Sibuyas, sibuyas, sibuyas.
Yung ano. Ito yung mga.
At ang buong lakas.
Napagod!
Ang kanyang atas. Uy.
Huwag na sobrang nipis. Okay lang.
Ding ding ding.
Igisa mo lang naman eh.
Boy, medyo kumukulit.
I really feel for the person that's like cooking in that moment. They've got everyone else watching
Hindi ka,
them.
boy. Baboy.
Baboy.
Doon.
Kasi kumukulo na eh. Tapos tapan mo na lang.
Hugasan muna, di pa tayo nahugasan.
Oo, hugasan mo na.
Hugasan daw.
Tapos tsaka ako na ng chop chop mamaya.
Puntay lang ata yung tubig eh. Ano siya?
Hindi, akaw pa, di ba?
Po yun.
Uy! Uy!
O, bawang pulutin.
Bawal!
Ken, ikaw na, Ken.
Hugasan mo yung baboy. Bawang pulutin.
Meron dyan dishwashing.
Pulutin mo na.
Sabunin mo pre para malinis.
Nalaglag niya yung bawang.
Kuskusin mo na rin, Ken, ha?
Alam mo yung ano, yung mga... Diba may
He knows what he's doing.
nagluluto sila, pero nakahubad sila, nagtatarstrap sila.
Para
Tapos
iba yun.
apron lang isuot. Meron yung
Oh, this is awesome.
Dami na nga pa yun, mga pinapanood.
Sabi, algorithm ko ganun talaga eh.
Gusto mo talaga.
Nakakabala ba naglunod?
Meron na naka-apron lang.
Don't give Stella ideas though.
Lagayin mo muna. Ay, bakit yung buo yung nilagay mo?
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay na?
Ibubuel naman natin eh.
Sige.
Check mo lang kung ano
Yan,
yan.
nakasya par.
Oh, Pablo, please work on the whole thing with Justin again. It's too fun.
Piga-piga yun.
Tinugasan mo eh, para...
Ito talaga.
Ano sinasabi?
Is he trying to sabotage his own team?
Hindi, kaya pa yan.
May mo, pwede yan. Manis mo ako eh.
Oh! Wala pa yan.
Asbestos fingers?
Sipsipin mo yung galiri mo.
May flavor na. May flavor na. Matik.
Meron ka.
Come on, get him to do it.
Yan. Yan, siguro ba natin.
Pablo's doing really well actually.
Masyado naman itong drone pre.
Durugin mo na lahat. Muna, bago mo sinabi.
Nagkaroon pala, ngipin pinangbabalat ko dyan eh.
Ayun na.
Oh,
Ako na.
who's next? Okay.
Oh, gawin mo yung mali.
Justin, mamatay na tayo dalawa.
O, sige, magdidikdik ako ng mani.
Magano ka na, food processor. Sige!
Gano'ng karami?
Hindi ka marunong, pareho tayo dalawa.
Nahinga ako.
Justin! Huwag ka! Nasa camera ka oh!
Justin, ano yun mo, Justin?
Dapat seryoso.
Ayan, ayan.
Sayang lang mo dyan, digdigin mo talaga.
Honestly, it doesn't even feel like Pablo's doing a secret mission. He's doing such a good, like, natural job.
Kailangan durog na durog ang mani.
Gusto mo, hindi tayo mabubuhay.
So,
Sabi, galing mo tumurog naman
diba,
ni Justin ah.
mani na siya. Tapos pag dinurog mo, di lalo siyang mani. Kasabay mo, parang lalo mabilis yung minute yung tuwa-tuwa. Nagdidik.
Tapos dito,
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Tiyan nyo, minute agad. Di ba nakabukas yung ano na?
Hindi nakabukas pa lang.
hindi.
Ako nga nagpapainit. Ano na yun ko din yun? Wala pa ba
sound
to?
mo na yan.
Ano pa kailangan ko?
I have to go back. Was that a vlog
Ito, ganito ka bigbig.
where Stella was doing that? How do you heat the water?
Ganyan lang dapat talaga.
Pero yung dami, okay na to.
Actually, kailangan niyang puro.
Malapit na. Ayan na.
Ay, mapagod.
Oh my gosh, everything that we have watched together is all just like coming back to me. I remember watching that video of them cooking pancit and and I was like, oh, let me note down the recipe. And they were putting these noodles inside a pressure cooker.
Eto na.
Yung sabaw mo, wala pa eh.
Everyone in my comments was like, don't pay any attention to them.
Hindi, get balat lang muna.
You don't need to cook them in a pressure cooker. Oh my gosh.
15 minutes yun.
Makakain na ito.
Hindi naman tayo kakain yun. Magluluto lang tayo.
Okay, takpan mo na lang, pre.
Ha?
Diba init ko na ba yan?
Takpan mo yung baboy para bumilis. Oo nga naman. Takpan mo ba para bumilis? Uy, seryoso. Ang galing, oh. Ay, harap ka naman sa camera. Painitin mo rin.
Abi, marami kilo ito. Parang
Uh-oh.
Ako lang. Isa-isa. Ay, yun lang.
Pablo, masyadong mahina.
Kailangan ko maalat.
That was some good instinct from Ken to not turn it down himself.
Delikado to eh. Ayan.
Naiyak na ako, boy. Ba?
Ay, ikaw
lang nagawa ko. Corny, ang bilis ko.
Ay, hawakan niyo.
Kung ano na kailangan mo i-heat ang oil in a pan.
Alam niyo ba yung story ng sibuyas?
Ano?
An onion.
Ano sa akin sa buhay?
Kasi yung nagpangalan dyan,
Peanut
umiiyak
paste,
siya.
peanut butter.
Ang tinatanong, sino payak sa'yo?
For 1 minute,
Sibuyas!
pour water and then stir until the mixture
Full of water.
Remove the cover and cook until the mixture reduces to your desired consistency. Mix well. Turn up the heat. Make sure to cover the pot to keep the sauce warm.
Nilapat ni Josh ang mani.
I absolutely love that look. This is not great for rewinding, but I have to go back. Oh my gosh. Oh no, okay. I'm sorry, this is not great for rewinding.
Kasi yung nagpangalan dyan, umiiyak siya.
Peanut butter.
Ang tinatanong, sino payak sa'yo?
For 1 minute,
Sibuyas!
pour water and then stir until the mixture becomes smooth.
Oh, water.
The mixture reduces to your desired consistency. Mix well.
He sounds like he should be in Harry
Make sure
Potter.
to cover the pot to keep the sauce warm.
Nilapat ni Josh ang mani.
Prepare.
Bigyan mo ng background music si Josh.
Ha? Hindi ako nabasa ako ng instruction para sa kanya.
Kayo mo.
Oh, I love that accent. You should do voiceovers for cookery programs, why not?
Ingat lang! Ilog ang bagbok. Good tao, yung baboy. Hard work.
Dapat, mas may kwenta yun pag buhay pa yung hinugasan mo. Ball by pasa yung oras sa iba.
Buti pa si Justin, ang galing magpainit.
Baka pwede ba yun?
Don't ask him to do anything apart from cook, please.
Hindi.
Ay,
please.
Kaya dama yung malakas. Tatagal tayo dito.
Hindi ko kaya maglagay ng ganyan.
Paano ba? Hindi na matapos.
Oo, naman ni Justin. Itaas lang konti. Tignan natin kung may
Yan ang favorite
na yung
Ano itaas yung?
Tama.
Yung baboy.
Dahil madaling mag-caramelize ang
Itaas mo
onion.
lang.
Ang galing ng onion, no? Hindi siya masyadong nakakaiyak.
Ano mo siya.
Wala pang yung ano, yung cake.
Gano'ng karami prepare, assemble,
Pwede mo naman i-adjust mo
page
ano
na.
eh.
Ang sarap ng peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Kahit ilan naman eh.
Una lang. Ay,
Sa tubig na lang natin
Ano
i-adjust.
lang muna?
Ano to, non-sweet eh?
Baka po.
Ano lang ba?
Oo. Ang karodyo, haya. Let's go.
Parang kulang yung mani.
Peanut butter naman. Pero kulang pa nga yan.
So wait, is any liquid going to go into this? What's this going to taste like? I'm intrigued.
Ay, tinulong.
So it's definitely going to be thicker,
Tama ba ginagawa namin?
stickier, but not creamy.
Kailangan mo yun.
Shucks, ano gawin ko pre?
Check the meat.
Lahat na?
Isotay mo lang din.
Patay mo lang muna.
Sotay mo. Yan. Pagka nagsusutay, hawakan mo na.
What to do next?
Safety first.
To
Saute.
Sear it up properly.
If you saute, gano'n ka lang.
Properly.
Yung saute.
Oo nga, yung stay ka lang.
Saute.
Tapos mo na yan.
Oo nga, napapansin ko na parang na siyang yelo.
Yan, ano na yan? Kare-kare na yan.
Lagyan mo ng tubig, pre. Ay, kunin mo na lang yan. Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba yan? Huwag madami, huwag masyadong madami.
Oy, tama na.
Sige lang.
Sige ba? Kunti ba?
1 cup hot. Konti pa. Konti pa. Sige lang. Okay na yan.
Hindi.
Halo-halo pa.
Ipupuin pa natin.
Dagdagan mo na.
Lahat?
Oo, bukas mo lahat kasi isusunod sa'yo.
Ibuwas mo!
Professional eh.
Yan, sige.
Professional. You gotta add 1 glass cup of water.
Justin na.
Gagawin ko.
Has he been watching some British cookery shows?
Kailangan mo itaas.
Check mo lang.
I-check mo kasi kung baka nagdikit-dikit na. I-check mo kung nagdikit sa ilalim. Tsaka pag hiwalay-hiwalay mo.
Bantot? Walang patungan. Parang sisig.
Kailangan ba ng tubig na ito? Baka masunog sa inyo.
I do not like seeing
Uy,
these
bakit ka
cups.
sa station? Ano yata?
I am here for British
Parang
Ken.
kuya magligpit.
I will happily adopt him in this country. Just ship him over.
Uy, talaga?
Sabi ni Josh,
O sige. Hindi naman tayo titikim niyan.
yan ang utos ng Josh.
Bagay.
Ang kaisa,
Tapos, kaya iwan mo na yan.
one divine.
Yan
What
naman,
else?
tusukin mo to kahit kutsilyo lang. Pakiramdaman mo kung ano. Yan.
I can't wait to see what the end product looks like. Look, I don't know what this dish
Pakiramdaman mo
is.
kung sobrang tigas pa.
So I'm trying to think. Apart from salt, nothing went into the meat. It's all sauce. Do you dip it?
Gagawin ko. Ayusin nyo.
Do you lather it? How will this look?
Iwan ng
Oh, there's veg.
Itaw.
Iwan mo natin lahat yung kakain mo.
Ano, isang buo?
What on earth is that?
Akala ko spaghetti to.
Are they beans?
Matakot naman yung kamay nito, matos kala mo gagamba eh.
Ako lang kasi ng ano. Kutsilyo. Akala ko
Kasi
kutsilyo.
baka manigong yung kamay.
Akala yung kutsilyo.
Sayang yung iba.
Pwede papakin. Ay,
Ako, hindi ko alam ito.
Pwede papakin mo na.
Tama ba to?
Go lang. Sige, tuloy mo na pag-iwa ko. Lumabas naman yung ano.
Oh, good. Next one.
Pwede ka na ito magtanggal.
Pwede na. Tapos na yung 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Yay! He's free.
Ang aming ace.
Alam niyo yung ano, yung...
Stay lang.
Tayo na, Josh.
Okay na, okay na.
Stay lang.
Okay na, okay na.
Bro?
Oh. They've got really good teamwork, haven't they?
Lahat gagamitin.
From games and even to something like this.
Oh no, it's your time.
Ayun yun.
Ano kailangan mo?
Atsuete mo na.
Mag-create kaya ako doon.
Ito natin.
I love watching Stel cook.
Sa bagay, oo nga. Kaya iniisip ko, bakit ang saglit na natin?
I am gonna go back after this in my own time. Obviously, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna watch that. Remember, he did that like Korean cookery. Oh my gosh! And just wow, what a dream! I have watched everything.
Kasi usually, rekta na yan eh.
Nantok na ako.
Sumayo-sayo ka. Sabayin mo ako.
Ito eh, ano?
Let's do it.
Pwede lahat na to, no?
Ayun, kaya siya nagiging color.
Brown.
Brown.
Ang swerte naman yan. Ang swerte naman natin.
Kung ano na, chwet-chwet mo sa akin.
Love you!
Oh,
Then,
wow!
Ay, ang bilis!
Ken.
I'm sorry, the way that Stel said that to Josh.
Pero yung bros.
Ano lasa ng atwete?
Tikma mo.
Lasang paminta.
Legit?
Pepper.
Hindi ko alam lasa niya.
Hindi ko alam eh.
food coloring na inalas.
Coloring ng artist.
Hindi, minato yan.
Alam mo naman pala eh.
Di sana, ano na lang. Nilagyan na lang ng pangkulay na.
Sana art paper na ng orange.
Sabi nga ni Stel, ano yan?
Ano nga?
Matamis yan.
Matamis yan?
Sweat.
Chwet-chwet.
Kaya mga ready na yung sinigang natin.
Pag ganyan lang. Hindi naman ganyan.
Seryoso ka dyan, bro, ah. Oo. Baka maging chef ka na yan, ha?
Oh.
Oh, yun yung gagawin ko, syempre.
Gagawin ko. Eh, wala kayo sinasabi.
Ay, ito gawin mo. Ito, pakita mo yung...
Mag-direct.
Yun.
Ano ka na, Brito?
aside din.
Hugasan mo yung chopping board na mabilis. Kasi,
Ano to? Pang make lang to.
There are too many cooks in the kitchen.
pwede rin dalawa lang.
Ano, tumig?
Huwag sa buto, huwag sa buto, huwag sa buto.
Oh,
May buto eh.
Huwag sa buto, huwag sa buto.
ano ba na ganito kalaki?
Kuha ng, liliit pa yan, pare ko. Liliit pa yan, mga repa ko. Pwede pa yan. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Pang pork chop na yun. Kipan mo na lang. Let's go behind ha.
Di patay.
Josh Cullen, your turn.
What are you eating? Oh, peanuts. Look at Josh. Oh my gosh. BBQs, are you okay? Just look at him. Look at everything that he is right now. One of the most memorable things whilst watching the show break will be that Justin, for the first time, is feeling like he is not of that much use, and because of that, all the puns, all of the other stuff is like amped up, and I just love that.
Sarap.
Oy, thank you po.
More salt, pepper.
Kung nakakita ko ng may bro na ganyan, nakarala ko yung Ogyupsan, nung Jedo tayo. Kasi nung nalagay mo, ay, ang sarap talaga nun.
Your turn. Your turn.
Oh my God.
Oh, pwede mo yun. Hey, good.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Hindi pagka...
Go! 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 Go, Pablo.
See what I mean? What is that vegetable?
Ito kasi yun, nakikita
What is that?
Mapapaligiran na tayo! Pa, ikaw nagpaso.
Huwag na yung magsipuya, oh. Ito yan.
Inay ko po!
Yeah, that's really yours.
Swab ko na to.
The random outbursts of OA Stell.
Parang, ay, ganyan. Hindi natin nilagyan ng papaya.
Ano papaya?
Kalabasa ko na yan.
Lagyan ng papaya sa kare-kare. Lagyan mo ng prutas yung kare-kare. Papaya ka?
Madami gano'n, oh.
Favorite na.
Justin! Like a yo-yo. Justin, we are of the same generation.
Parang konti ng water.
Wait, last 5 minutes daw.
Oh,
Okay.
ano yun? Is it gulay? Is it ano? At wait, alam ko na! Alam ko na! Pagmamahal!
Hindi, gulay. Gulay. Kailangan mamaya na.
Gulay?
Kahit,
Ito yung kalabasa. Hindi natin nilagay.
wala ba ka?
Oh!
5 minutes.
Di man tayo nalagyan ng 5 minutes. Wala natin kalabasa.
Wala sa kalabas niya, sa preparation. Alam mo, pwede na tayo mag-order.
No.
Hindi pa kailangan lahat.
Ilutoy na natin to!
Serve.
Ay, ilutoy na nga!
Kailangan mo nagpakuluan ko.
Yikes! Ayoko niyan! Ayan, Josh Cullen!
Oh.
King John Alfred!
Ano yun? 5, 6, 7.
Who's doing it?
Nagawa ko na yung vibe na sipa.
Oh my goodness.
Okay yan. Okay na daw. Okay na daw.
Matagal talaga
Pablo has been so good.
Uwi mo tayo!
This recipe is long, like it's time consuming. Like you're double cooking that meat.
Meron pa gawin dito?
And then what, do you add it to the sauce?
Tatanggalin ulit siya.
What is this and what is that? What is the long and what is the short? It's a strawberry
Hot.
that you can always see.
Oh, so good that your inner demon came out.
is okay. Puro mana talaga.
Ganyan-ganyan kulay yung mga ano, sabi, sarap oh. Uy,
Ano nakalagay?
Ano kailangan mas tell? Tubig?
Dito ba ito nakalagay?
How many water?
This thing.
How much water?
ano bang ayaw mo?
I feel like Ken did a lot of British accenting during this and it was edited out. Could we please have like a Ken turns British like little mini thing?
Kakalagay lang.
Popcorn.
Pikit ka, tignan ka pa dila ko. 1, 2, 3.
Sama ko na to ah.
Sige, kung ano trip mo?
Yan o.
Nagmukhang menudo.
Ito na.
Kunain mo pa, pre.
Mga mo pre. Actually,
That is Josh's baby right there in that pan.
Parang menudo, no?
Kasi kukulay, di ba siya sa...
Ano nangyari? So sa plating, ayusin natin. So sauce muna, tapos patong natin yung yung pork. Tapos lagyan natin
Nagawa pa tayo?
sa ibabaw. Tapos mga gulay sa gilid. Tapos
Nagawa pa nga tayo.
Oh.
Okay din?
Ito na?
Tignan mo wala kaya.
I'm glad that do it. I'm glad that if I'm taking Josh for an example, that it doesn't feel like work for him because he obviously enjoys cooking so much that he's just naturally went in there and kind of took over.
Suwi ba ikaw?
Lagyan mo ng konti asukal.
Legit ba?
pakulo lang natin yung bilis. Patapos naman natin. Anong pang plating? Anong gagawin natin for plating?
Natin, nakakamat ko.
So, yung solid na then pork. Gulay sa gilid. Ibabaw. Garnish.
Yari.
Yari.
Kahit ano lang.
Parang pag
Sukal na lang.
dat malambot. Matigas yung mga buo eh, yung ganito matigas. Dat ito yung malambot.
Actually, okay lang ba kahit di nabalatan?
Oyster.
Mabalik ang boy.
Kailangan, no?
Oo.
Oh, shucks, abot kaya.
Abot yan.
Hindi, pag di umabot, eh di, marunong ka na magbalik ng kalabaw. Brown sugar.
Matinat na siya.
Good.
Pwede.
Pwede. Ubusin na natin.
This is the cute. Oh my goodness. Stella's wow. No, he doesn't. He doesn't need to remind me of my nephew. No, thank you. But he's reminding me of my nephew,
Konting lasa lang siguro.
who is almost 2 years old, by the way. And when he eats food, he does this. When he eats anything, he does this.
Pampatamis siya.
Dito lang kalil.
Yan, ano yan, oo. Pero paano ko ba kalambutin ka? It's smaller. Okay na yung ginagawa niyo. You can. Ayan, tagal pa sa magpapulutin. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes.
Ito style, diretso na natin dyan.
Sukal talaga.
Okay ko na.
Mamaya, tapanin lang natin kung tagal pa naman ito.
Yellow label.
Pampaano lang naman yun, di ba?
Ito. Ayan, dito.
Sayang eh. Para makompleto pa rin natin.
Ito.
Hindi yan, flour yan.
Flour.
And now, I'm back full of enthusiasm. We can
Now that you peed, you're full of enthusiasm.
repeat this.
Best yan, the best yan.
Masura kayo dyan. Masura po.
Ah, ito pa? Oo nga, no?
Toppings daw yun.
Wait lang, Zay. Ito pa, Zay. Ito pa.
Sana masarap.
Tapon na rin yung actuete.
Na talaga. As in, uy!
Papalag na.
Pero pag may ano na siya.
So,
Ano lang, makakama.
Good.
Pwede na?
Tsaka may bagong pa, baka masyadong silang maglaban. Kasi manamis-namis na yung bagong natin eh. So, sauce, gano'n. Tapos pork. Gulay sa gilid, pork sa ibabaw. Tapos peanut.
Tindigan ko pa lang. Pinari sa'yo.
Ano yung amo?
Gawa na tayo plating. Gagawa tayo plating.
More. Mi amor.
It's love.
Yung to, kumalunod siya ngayon.
In Spanish.
Ay, lumambot na siya.
Sobra na nga.
Ano yung amores?
Ay, lumambot na siya.
French.
Sa French.
Amor.
Amor din?
Oh, good!
Oh, ba't mo naman sinaw-saw dyan, May?
Sa Chinese.
Ano?
Oh, makakarap.
Hindi. Thank you.
Ano?
Sinaw-saw.
Solid.
Buhay ni.
Wala na, di na natin gagamitin.
Hindi kami kasali nito, no?
Abol na natin.
Sarang kami
pa.
Kasi sarang kami sa Korean.
Pwede na to, tiktikin.
Sa Japanese.
Ay, hindi pa konti-konti pa.
Sa Japanese.
Ganun ba yung pampalapot na gagawin sa
I love where Pablo is going with this. Oh wait, sorry, did Ken just eat it? Was it good?
Para magkain siya. Anytime na may gusto niyong kain.
It's ready to eat.
Dinudurog siya.
Yeah, boy.
Dinudurog siya?
Kalabasa din. Mash na kalabasa.
Ano? Ano? Dinigla ko na siya.
That's crazy.
Oh.
Tikman ko muna. Go.
Sure. Pinakamahalaga.
How does it taste, boy?
Sarap din yan. Ano yan?
Actually, yun yung luto talaga dun sa Time MV. Matamis.
Pinakbot ha.
Saka may konting alat sa bago.
Okay na yan. Tignan na mamaya.
Okay, guys. Let's eat.
Just 1 minute daw kasama.
Himbento.
Kasama yung guys. 1 minute na lang, dali.
Oh no!
Plating daw.
Meron nang naplano si Master Stel.
Okay, let's go.
Kasi ano,
I want to see this
Gordon
plating.
Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay.
Grabe, oh. May Quaker Logic. Tanda,
Tapos lalagyan na yan sa boss ibabaw. What? Oh, that's crazy, bro.
It is supposed to be there.
Talaga? Talaga may counting?
Hindi natin mag-rain.
Yun lang yung gulay.
Wait lang, hindi pa tapos eh.
Tapos, oh, world.
So the sauce will be sweet, primarily sweet.
That's very lovely. Simply lovely.
But obviously the meat is very savory.
On the side.
What's that?
Right!
Oh,
Just in time,
yes,
we're
yes,
able to
in
finish.
Grabe no, budget beater, no?
Yes. Excited to eat.
Yeah.
Right, Pablo?
Kare-kare, bagnet.
Yun, kare-kare bagnet.
This is done by teamwork
Yeah,
and with the concept of time. So we're
Yeah.
gonna call it
that is true.
time work.
Yes.
Time work.
Time work ala magnet. Magnet ala time work.
Ricky Mana!
What is that thing that Stell's putting on the plate? I need to know what that is. I mean, I can't really tell, but to me that looks pretty good.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we present to you our amazing, enthusiastic, delicious erak. Sora erak.
Sora era. Here is it. Ma'am, sir?
Sora era.
Everyone just
Yes, ma'am, sir. Please enjoy your meal and while it's hot, please enjoy it.
If you want to know why Sora erak, because if you taste it, your world will turn upside down.
Yes. Because you turn me upside down. Don't worry, that's our toppings, ma'am, sir.
It's part of the presentation.
Yes.
It is
You can now get your Sora erak.
Because we are an invited.
Malamig na yung pagkakain kakasura erak natin.
What is going on?
Mouth will open in 3, 2, 1.
Shoot!
I can see their faces.
We can't.
Up or thumbs
Sadly.
up. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ay, thumbs down!
Whoa!
Thumbs down siya! Thumbs up, pero red.
Oh, I thought it was a thumbs down.
And that was it. Yep.
Yay!
Tapos din namin yung mga challenges namin for today dito sa episode 2 ng Showbreak 6.
Napakasarap ng ating kare-garing nito.
And dahil nga
Do they not get to eat it?
ilang points na nakuha natin, we
Five.
got 5
Thumbs up.
Alam mo yung
Although,
nagsabing
isa
isa na red.
Isa red.
Hanggang ngayon, kumakain pa rin. Tignan mo, parang
Nilunok niya lang yung sinabi.
ang sarap-sarap.
dahil nag-succeed kami sa aming challenge for today, mamimigay kami ng 3 tickets for 2 sa Lucky 18 para makapunta sa simula at wakas experience.
And para naman sa hindi pa nakakapunta, hanggang June 29 na lang tong so experience.
Not long now.
Avail na kayo kasi marami kayong ma-miss. If
Fun
hindi
week.
kayo makapunta. And syempre, kanina, si Pablo tinawag ng team sa labas. So, sabi nila, meron daw akong sikretong mission. So, ang dami kong pinapagawa kanina. Yung mga sikretong mission yun, pag nagawa natin, madadagdagan yung oras natin sa pagluluto ng 5 minuto.
Yung mga inutos niyang extra challenge.
Kaya kanina, hinahayaan lang tayo kasi meron pa talaga tayong extra oras. Pero pasalamatan nyo kasi kung hindi ko yun
Ano muna yung mission?
All thanks to you.
Hindi, yung isa ko sa yung kay Justin muna, ang mission ni Justin ay mag-thirst trap. Kaya kanina gumayon siya.
You did.
Yun nga eh, sabi ko.
Still.
Hindi, pero ini-instigate ko na.
Kaya
Tapos,
tawa ka.
Tapos si Ken naman, ang mission niya is
kaya ba?
mag-serenade sa 18. Kaya pinapakanta ko siya. Pero sabi ko sa team kanina, kaya niya yung gawin kahit hindi ko na siya nasabihan kasi ginagawa niya pala, kumakanta siya. So, kumanta na siya kanina.
You are the bell tower.
Tapos si Jeff naman, kailangan magpakit.
Kaya pala nalalaw
Okay, ayaw mo yun. Sabi ko siya, para madagdagan tayo ng si Stel, tinatry ko kanina kaso nangihilam yung mga tao eh. Dapat mag-I love you.
Kaya matatanong, may amores.
Yeah.
Stel, sa Japanese, pero hindi niya nasabi. So anyway, naka 20 minutes extra tayo na time.
Dito na daw.
Wow. Okay, thank you so much.
Magkakaroon din pala kami sa June 29 ng concert sa Taiwan.
See you sa Taiwan.
See you sa
Hindi
Taiwan.
napapanood, makikita nyo pa rin kami sa labas sa aming time.
Magkano na tayo sa labas, meet and greet sa labas.
Maraming salamat din sa Bakit ang
Maraming
Second time na to, second time
na to. Ay, actually lahat nandito na naman eh. Pagkain, maayos na lugar.
Tsaka sobrang feel at home na natin dito na pupunta tayo.
Tsaka nabalitaan ko nga fully booked talaga sila.
Nakita ko yung schedule everyday
Hanggang August
Ay, talaga.
Kaya kung gusto nyo matry ang Bakit ang Lad, mag-message na kayo naman.
So this is the same place where they did the whole like pool thing for episode 1?
Yet, Bali experience.
Wow.
At para malaman nyo kung sino ang makakuha ng ticket to, just check out the details.
Yeah.
And that's it for Showbreak 6 episode 2! Bye!
See you sa next show break.
I love it. It reminds me of previous episodes. So much fun. Great to see them in there working together as well. We got a little bit of games in the beginning. We got some fun. I love the secret missions. And Pablo was really good at doing all of that. I'm really impressed. It got me thinking about like his hosting skills, and whether he'd ever in his life be up for, I don't know, hosting a show or something like that. I just think he's like, I don't know, he does things in a different way. Like some people will come in and they'll like present, but he comes in and he kind of like brings out, I think it's something about the producer in him, but he comes in and he brings stuff out in other people. So his approach to getting people to complete those secret missions was different. It was really interesting to watch and kind of like helps you to understand his psyche a little bit. But I just love it. I love to see SB19 in the kitchen cooking. I mean, being totally dreamy, whether they think they can cook or not, certain members, I think that they all add a certain flavor to what they're doing. And it's just such a dream to see them doing it again. I just really love that they don't feel, oh, we're doing the same thing again, like we're revisiting something we've done previously. Like you don't have to do something new every single time. Sometimes something like this it translates really well, and especially because SB19 have always said that they want to champion everything Filipino, so the fact that they're cooking a Filipino dish as well, for me, as somebody who has never tried this dish and knew nothing about it, I was very eagerly awaiting what it was going to look like, and the amount of effort that actually went into putting this dish just together as well. It's like crazy. No wonder why they needed that length of time. In the beginning, I was like, really? That long? But yeah, I see why, because there were so many different steps. And it's funny because they showed it to us in such a great way that I almost, like, you know, when Josh was tasting it at the end, I almost got that flavour in my mouth because I'd seen all the steps and everything. So I really appreciate that through Showbreak, they're kind of like teaching us, especially as an international 18, more about Filipino food. And games as well, as what they were doing earlier, but so much fun to watch them, and I'm so glad that I decided to do this first. The funny thing is that 50 minutes at work do not ever go this fast, so it's not even fair that I'm watching my favourite boys and it went by in a flash. When will we see them cook again? Soon, hopefully. Please do talk to me about this episode of Showbreak, and yeah, I don't really know why Ken was doing a lot of pour water. And what was the other word? He said something else, and he kept doing it in this like David Attenborough voice, and I was thinking, like, what has he been watching? This accent is stuck in his mind. Too many moments in there to kind of like think about and overthink about. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.